What you making now?
Banana.
Awesome. A blue banana? That's cool.
A big blue banana.
Yeah. When you get off there, show it to Nanny. Show me in the camera.
Oh. Hey, hey, I'm a bandit. Ooh.
Nice job. That's a fun toy you got, isn't it?
Yeah.
You bought it for yourself.
What's this?
I don't know what that does. Holy cow. I didn't know that did that, did you? Now you can make stuff coming out the top of his head, huh?
Yeah.
You put the dough underneath his head?
Now what's this?
Okay. Wave your hand and say, "Hi, Aunt Sharon."
Hi, Sherry.
Tell her, "I hope you're having a good day." Look at Nanny. Tell Aunt Sharon you love her and you hope she's having a good day, baby. Well, Nanny does. Nanny hopes you're having a great day. TJ does too. He's just busy. He bought himself a new toy. It's Play-Doh, isn't it? Awesome. Look at what all he's made.
Bananas.
Look at there at those bananas and stuff he made. Oh wow. Huh. Now that's pretty cool.
And this is cooler.
Yeah.
Put white things in here.
Uh-huh.
It'd be cool.
Yeah.
Now what's this?
Is it going to give him some hair? Holy crap.
Here. I
Nice.
got hair.
Yeah, he's got his hair out. See? Turn the whole thing around, let Nanny see it.
Look here.
See? That's what he's making it with. That's TJ's elephant toy. And it's a Play-Doh thing.